This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to perform a power reset on your TV. So what you want to do if you're having issues like a black screen or something like that and it won't turn on is just grab the power cord or the cord that's going into the wall outlet and just unplug this and wait 60 seconds, and sometimes you might need to unplug this a little bit longer. So if you're having problems with like any Net Plus, HDMI CAC or something like that, or some setting, just unplug it and then plug it back in. Sounds kind of goofy that this would work, but this can get multiple settings to start working again if you simply just unplug it and then plug it back in. And then you can look for additional settings if you want to reset it to the factory default on your TV or monitor. So you can just go up to settings right here, going down to general, and there should be something under system or general called reset to initial settings or factory default. So you could try resetting all the settings on your monitor or just perform a power reset. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.